Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to find draft videos on YouTube. Let's go. First of all, open up the YouTube mobile app. Then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to record a quick little video. Let's save it as a draft. To do that, tap on the X button at the top left. Then tap and select Save as Draft. That video is now saved as a draft. So let me show you how to find it. Now tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and then go over to the Short tab. Now at the bottom right, you'll see the Drafts option. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see all of the draft videos on YouTube. You can tap and select any of these videos to continue working on them. You can now edit them easily. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.